If you're new to the law of attraction, it simply means that what you think about expands. You can bring into your life what you think about most often. It's a universal law, just as real as the law of gravity. You jump off a building, you're gonna fall, right? The law of attraction works in the same way. What you think about, you get more of. But if you're someone who's already been using or has been conscious of the law of attraction and it's not working for you, you might be wondering why. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the law of attraction into your life, step by step. So let's get right to it. The first step to using the law of attraction is to know what it is you want the law of attraction to bring into your life. You know, the thing about the law of attraction is it's always turned on. It's not just something you can choose to use or not to use. It is always working in your favor or even against your favor. The law of attraction is always bringing to you what it is you're thinking about the most and what it is you're intentionally manifesting into your life. And I say intentionally because a lot of people don't know what it is they want. They say they want to lose or release weight from their body, but they don't know the amount of weight they want to weigh. They say they want to make more money, but they don't say the amount of money that they want to make. The law of attraction deals in specifics. The more specific you can be about what you want, the more likely what you want will manifest in your life and the quicker it will appear in your life. So let me ask you, what is it that you want in your life? Is it to make more money? Well, how much? Is it to weigh a certain amount? How much do you want to weigh? Is it to attract other financial or material things? Is it to take a trip or a vacation? Is it to attract somebody or some kind of relationship into your life? What is it that you want? And then I want you to write it down on a piece of paper or a journal, somewhere where you can reference this and somewhere where you will see this all of the time. And remember, be specific about what you want. The more specific you can be, the better. I've met so many people who've achieved what it is they thought they wanted. And once they arrived at the end destination, once they got the outcome that they desired, they weren't satisfied. They thought it would have been better than it really was. They thought the car would make them happier. They thought the vacation or the trip was really what they wanted, but when they got back, they just kind of got back into the grind of things, and it didn't bring them that feeling that they hoped for. So the next step to activate the law of attraction in your favor is to see the end result before it even happens. You know, the beautiful thing about your mind is your mind and your brain doesn't know the difference between what you imagine and what is actually a reality. So when you picture something in your mind, you can actually get your body to have the same response as if you had that thing already. So think about what you want right now. If it's a car, imagine yourself driving the car. If you haven't been inside the car, then just imagine what the inside of the car might look like. And imagine the feeling as you're driving down the road, driving through your favorite hometown, driving down your favorite country road or the city that you might live in. Imagine what it is you want as if you've already achieved it. And then I want to ask you, how does it make you feel now that you see yourself in this reality? You see yourself with the person that you wanted to attract. You see yourself weighing what you wanted to weigh, earning the amount of money that you've wanted to earn. How do you feel now that you've achieved what it is you want? Because if you sit there long enough, imagining what you have long enough, if it doesn't make you feel good, then it's time to create a different goal. If it doesn't bring you that spark or that joy that you thought that you would have, then it's probably not the goal for you. On the other hand, if you did imagine what you want and it felt amazing and it just made you think even more, this is something that I need to have in my life, then it sounds like you have the right goal. It sounds like you know exactly what it is you want. And in that case, it's time to move to the next step. Now that you have a goal, you know specifically what it is you want. You've seen it in your theater of imagination before it's happened. The third step is to feel good as often as possible. You know, so often we go through our day as if we're on autopilot. Just things happen, we go to work, we live our day, we get home, we go to sleep, and we do everything over again. But the universe favors the person who consciously feels good as often as possible. Because when you feel good, it means you're emitting positive vibrations. We are creatures of energy. We are creatures who are vibrating at a specific frequency. Everything is energy. And if you can match the vibration and the frequency of what it is you want, that's how you attract it and pull it into your reality. And that's how you truly manifest what you want. But in order for you to have a higher vibration, in order for you to be favorable to the universe so that it wants to give you what it is you want, you have to make a conscious effort to feel good more than not. And what I mean by that is you don't need to feel good at every second throughout the day. That's just not realistic. Things are going to happen. You're going to receive bad news. You're going to have an obstacle that you have to overcome. You're going to hear something from someone that makes you feel bad at a specific moment in time. But the goal is not to stay there. The goal is to feel good. The goal is to be high vibration, because the higher vibration you can be more of the time, the faster the law of attraction will activate in your favor. So a tip that I would have for you when it comes to this is consciously ask yourself throughout the day, how am I feeling right now? That's the key question. In the morning, in the afternoon, and at night, and hopefully a lot of times in between then, ask yourself, how am I feeling in this moment in time? If the answer is, I'm kind of okay, or, I'm kind of down, I wish that I felt better, or I feel anxious, I feel depressed, then that simply means it's time to think of something different. It's time to change your internal representation and the way that you're using your body in a way that will help you to feel better. Because if you're feeling down, you're attracting more of those feelings to you. If you shift your vibration and you shift it to a more positive light, you shift it to a higher vibrational emotion such as joy or happiness or excitement, then you'll attract more of those to you as well. The goal here is to have at least positive high vibration emotions 51% of your day. Because once you can shift the tide of your emotions to at least 51% positive vibrations, you're going to continue to get better and get better and get better. And soon your 51% will turn into 60 and 65 and 70 and 80. And within a month's time, or a few months, or 6 months especially, you're going to be feeling good most of your days. And the more often you feel good, the more often the law of attraction will operate in your favor and bring you exactly what it is that you want. Now, on this YouTube channel, we talk very often about how to feel good. We talk about how to create goals and achieve goals, and we talk about how to live an extraordinary life. So if you're new to this channel, I want you to click the subscribe button right here and hit the bell so that you see every new video that we release every Monday through Friday. And if this video is helpful for you so far and learning how to use the law of attraction step by step, hit the like button right here so that more people can get this video as well. The fourth step is to notice what you're getting with the law of attraction. Now that you know what you want, now that you know for sure this is what you want because you saw it ahead of time, now that you've shifted your vibration to more of a positive vibration, at least 51% of the time or more, now it's time to notice what the universe is giving you. Because every single day, you have at least one positive coincidence. And when I say one positive coincidence, I want you to ask yourself, how often is it that you say to yourself, wow, it's really funny that that thing just happened to me because I just thought about that the other day. Or you'll have a friend call you and you'll look at your phone and it's ringing and you'll say, oh, weird that Susie's calling me. I just thought about her the other day. I don't believe there's such thing as coincidences. Something doesn't just happen. Something happens because it's been willed to happen by you or somebody else. So it's very important to notice when the law of attraction does give you something. And it's very important, especially when you're on a winning streak, because when you're on a winning streak, you have more things and more wins to appreciate. Notice how the universe is giving you what it is you want, even in the smallest semblance of what you want. Because the universe will start small and then it will get better and better and bigger and bigger, and it will give you more and more of what you want. But you have to build your belief first. The more that you believe in this, the more that you understand how the law of attraction works, and the better you get, the faster and the bigger things that the law of attraction will manifest and bring into your life. So be sure to notice what you're getting and to celebrate your wins. If this video and these tips have helped you, then I want you to watch this video next. It's all about how the law of attraction helped me to transform my life, where I go into tips and strategies that I didn't talk about here that will further help you to implement the law of attraction. And until we talk again next time, continue to be better.